Hi all, welcome to the course. Anyone can design, create awesome graphics for social media. So we're going to set to roll here as I'm going to teach you some amazing tools that help you to create awesome graphics for any kind of social media channel, be it Facebook, be it Twitter, be it LinkedIn, be it Pinterest, be it Instagram, be it Tumblr, etc. So we'll be dealing with two tools here. The first one is called as Promo Republic. Okay, so in the course I'll be teaching you this particular tool. Okay, it's going to give you some 100,000 plus post ideas to create graphics. So you don't have to be a designer at all. You don't need to use Illustrator, you don't need to use Photoshop, you don't need to use InDesign. You can just use this online cloud-based tool to create amazing graphics and see your likes and comments and social media engagement soar, right? So how this works is particularly you just type in a keyword, right? And it's going to give you some amazing templates that you're going to see and create using this editor, which is called a social media editor from this Promo Republic. And you're going to publish content in more than say different categories that are here, right? For example, for any kind of industry, you'll be able to use this content. Be it education, you'll see some amazing quotes, some amazing backgrounds coming up. Be it business, you'll be able to see say interesting facts, you'll see did you knows, you see say fun stuff that you can post, right? So all these for any kind of industry you'll be able to do, and you'll also be able to schedule posts through this and on for any social media network, and you'll be able to stand out from among the crowd and promote your products and services to the core, right? So they give you a trial, so you can just try it out right now. And also I'll be teaching you not only these tools, even more tools coming up in terms of how you can get those social media post ideas. To just give you a brief demo, right? Whatever the post you see over here, right? All these posts, social media covers, Facebook covers, social media posts are created using Promo Republic, right? We create incredible stuff. For example, let me give you one more sample of a post that is created using this. For example, this is created, you see this amazing post over here. When I grow up I want to be a digital marketer. This is also created using that particular tool. Let me give you more examples. You see this is also created using that particular tool. So you're free to edit the content, you're free to change the graphics, you're able to change the filters, you're able to put your logo out there, you're able to display whatever you want. You see all this kind of graphics are very cool, right? So all that you're able to do through this, create through this tool. So let's roll. So welcome to the course, and we're all set to rock. This is Srinidhi Ranganathan, your digital marketing coach, signing off. See you there inside the course.